I'm Katie Duluth, and today we are going to try to show you an easier way to change your duvet. Step 1 is to lay out your duvet on the bed. Step 2 is doing the same thing with your duvet cover. Step 3, find the matching corners of the duvet and the duvet cover. Tie the corners up so they won't be moving when you sleep. Next step, to stuff the remaining duvet into the duvet cover. Fluff it all up. That's it. You should be all set. It may take a little work a few times, but don't give up. Having fresh duvet cover to sleep with is going to be worth it. Come back to this video next time you need to change your duvet cover. You'll get it.